Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make protein muffins. First, gather your dry ingredients. In a large bowl, combine 1½ cups of oat flour with 2 scoops of your favorite protein powder. Next, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and ½ teaspoon of baking soda. Finish by stirring in a pinch of salt and 2 tablespoons of your preferred sweetener, ensuring everything is well mixed. Now let's prepare the wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 large eggs, ½ a cup of milk, and 1/4 cup of unsweetened applesauce. Then, incorporate 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for flavor. Carefully pour the wet mixture into your dry ingredients, folding gently until the batter is just combined. Avoid overmixing to keep your muffins light and fluffy. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a 12-cup muffin tin with liners or lightly grease it to prevent sticking. Evenly distribute the batter among the cups, filling each about 2/3 full. Bake for 18 to 22 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let them cool in the tin for a few minutes before transferring to a wire rack. These protein muffins are delicious as is, but feel free to customize them. You can fold in ½ a cup of fresh berries, chocolate chips, or chopped nuts for added texture and flavor. For an extra treat, swirl a spoonful of nut butter into the top of each muffin before baking. Enjoy these healthy, satisfying treats for breakfast or a snack. Don't forget to check the description for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.